Welcome to the PhotoVidShow tutorials. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to do rotation and flipping or mirroring on your slides and pictures. Now here we have my slideshow here. I've added these slides in, and some of the slides I've added in, their orientation is not correct. Some of them need rotating and perhaps some of them need flipping. So here's some slides here that need correcting. Now there is actually multiple ways to do this. Normally, if you've just got a slide here with just the one picture in it and you want to rotate it, you can select on these two icons here. You have rotate left 90 degrees and rotate right 90 degrees. So each time I push that, your slide picture will rotate anti-clockwise or left 90 degrees. Each time I select this button, your picture will rotate right 90 degrees or clockwise. So that's pretty simple to do. So most of the time you just want to be using these settings here, because this is most of the time when things go wrong, you just want to use those two. So that one's okayed, and this one needs rotating left 90 degrees. That's good. That needs rotating right 90 degrees. That's fine. Now another way to do this is, well, as these buttons, is just simply to right click over the slide and select rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise. So there you can see it's just the same operation, but from a right click. May save you a bit more time. Now on this final slide, these buttons are greyed out. You can't select them, and similar when I right click over it. The reason for this is there are actually multiple pictures on this slide, as you can see, whereas all these only have one. This one has multiple ones. If this is the case, there is some more options you can do to rotate them. The first thing you can do is right click on it and select edit slide media. So I've right clicked over my slide with these problem pictures and I select edit slide media. So I select my image which needs rotating, which is this one, and I click on the orientate tab. And from here we have the rotate buttons as we saw earlier. Clockwise and anti-clockwise, rotate left, rotate right 90 degrees. This window also allows you to do flipping or mirroring effects. So you can flip the image horizontally or flip the image vertically, like so, as you can see, and you can reset it back to default. Also, similarly, you can select from the text and images tab here, you can select your image here and you have the same controls there, where you can rotate them or mirror them. As you can see, it automatically adjusts the size of the decoration so it has the correct aspect ratio. So I can mirror it and flip as well there. Well, I hope you've learnt a lot today, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot.